So a lot of you guys are probably either running TikTok paid ads and just want to save yourself a bunch of money, or just not running any ads at all, and you're either not getting views on TikTok for your product, or just haven't even started at all, which is also okay. You probably just want more information on that topic exactly. But I'm here to tell you, I did not start off by doing TikTok organic. I actually started off by doing TikTok ads. So I'm paying for the ads to get out, and I lost quite a bit of money. I've lost maybe $1,000 before I even got one sale for $20. And even at that, I completely got rid of that product because I just knew it wasn't gonna do good for me before I found my winner. And recently, literally today is Monday, I was at the beach Sunday, which was yesterday, and I was talking to this guy. I met this guy at the beach, and we were talking about drop shipping and stuff like that, how his friends are getting into it. And he was telling me that I should get into TikTok organic, and which I already knew. Like, I was already thinking about it. I was planning on it. I was in Georgia for the weekend, so I was just getting everything ready to start doing TikTok organic. And we were pretty much talking about it, and that's what I ended up doing. I started doing TikTok organic, and literally within today, I've already figured it out. Like, I did crazy in sales today. You guys can go ahead over to my Instagram. I post some of my wins throughout the weeks and throughout the months and stuff like that, just to show you guys that TikTok dropshipping, or dropshipping in general, is not dead at all. It's also to promote like a mentorship program. If you guys are interested in doing that, you guys can also DM me on Instagram for that. But like I said, TikTok organic is a great way to make money besides ads. I'm currently doing both now. And literally you can be making $1,000 a day. Like I said, my Instagram is living proof of that. So to start off, you want a winner product. Now, what is a winner product? My definition of a winner product is something that includes at least one of three things. Thing number one is a problem solver. Does it solve a problem? I'm gonna give you guys a broad example. A makeup brush cleaner. I've seen it do numbers. You guys might know Ryan Michaels. I don't even know his last name, but he did crazy. He was doing $100,000 months doing that. And he's still fairly new to YouTube and stuff like that. So really nobody knows about him like that. But like I said, he was doing the makeup brush cleaner, and he was doing 100K months. Like, I'm telling you, $100,000 months. So it solves a problem. Thing number two is gonna be a time saver. So it solves a problem. Your makeup brush is dirty, it cleans it, and is a time saver. You don't want to just, I don't know how makeup brushes work, but I'm sure you just gotta really rinse it out and stuff like that. But it literally does that for you. It's a time saver. And thing number three is an insecurity solver. So meaning if you're a little bit overweight, if these leggings hide your fat and stuff like that, make your butt look big, whatever the case may be, that is an insecurity solver. Like stuff like that. It doesn't have to have all three, because I can't really name products off the top of my head that have all three winners. Like nothing. I can't find out a single thing. But if it has one or two of those things, it's gonna be perfect. So that is what a winner product to me is. So you have your winner product, you have, the product on hand, because you're gonna need to do TikTok organic with the product preferably on hand. Now you can go around on TikTok and download videos and stuff like that. That's actually what I did for my TikTok paid ads. Like, I literally downloaded a bunch of videos from TikTok itself and just put it into one video and made it an ad. But you want the product on hand preferably, and just start recording videos. Start seeing what other people in your niche post and what they record and what does really good, and start doing that, obviously in your style, but start doing that for your page. Now, like I said, you guys want to do TikTok organic, so you got to obviously make the TikTok account. Now, I don't recommend posting on a brand new TikTok. I recommend making an account. If you don't have an actual one like laying around, make a brand new account and start getting the account used to things. So currently, I'll tell you guys, not the product I'm doing, but the niche. So I'm doing women products. I'm doing well-being, stuff like that. So I'm gonna get my account used to well-being. I'm gonna like videos that I like, or like that I want on my For You page and stuff like that, to connect with, the female niche, the woman. And you're just gonna comment. You can comment, do whatever you want. Just get the account used to, because TikTok automatically thinks every account is a bot for the first 7 days, so they can just get rid of the accounts. They're gonna shadow ban you. They're not gonna give you views right away. That's just the case for every single situation. So once you have your product on hand, once you have an account ready to be posted, now you just gotta record. Now record something that you think will do great. You have, if you're doing in a woman's niche, you have women around you. You have a mother, you have friends, you have a girlfriend, you have a wife, whatever the case may be. You have a sister, whatever the case may be. You can see what they like, and whatever they like you have to appeal to what they would like. Everything dropshipping is a psychological game. Like I'm telling you guys, everything is about up here. You can't just get lucky with dropshipping. It's all psychological. It's all skill. There's really no luck at all when it comes to dropshipping. So once you figure it out, you're gonna test different creatives. And you're just gonna post them. You have nothing to lose when doing TikTok organic. It is completely free. Like you won't lose $1. The only thing you'll lose is the time making the product, the ad for that product. But it's not even that big of a deal. And you will do views. TikTok is a game changer. I'm telling you guys, I have a TikTok account, a theme page, and I have over 100K on that. And nobody knows about it. I don't share it with you guys. I do post on YouTube like how to get views on TikTok, how to get money off of TikTok. So you guys might see it on those videos. But like I don't post, that's not my thing. That's just for you guys, for the YouTube channel, for you guys to see that it is possible to make money on every single platform there is. But that's besides the point. The whole point of me saying all of that is I know how the TikTok algorithm works. And I see what they like. They like likes, they like shares, they like comments, they like reposts, they like it all. They want to see it all. Okay, it's now later on in the day. I had to take care of some business. But like I was saying earlier in the video, you have your product on hand. You know what creatives you want to make. You have the product, you have the vision, you are making the videos. Now the only step is to post it. Now, like I said, this is TikTok organic, so this means you're not paying for a thing. Everything is algorithm based, and chances are it's not luck. Like everything that you're posting, it will be either really good or really bad. There's no in between, there's no mid. It'll be either really good or really bad. That's it. You're either gonna get sales or you're not. So the way you do this, now you post it. Now, if you're posting, whatever you're posting, if it's not getting you views and or sales, I do recommend, because views pretty much equal sales really. Because if you're getting a lot of views, it's getting the right people's attention, and hopefully, and chances are you will get sales. That's just how that works. But if you're not getting any views, you're probably not using a right audio. Now, I know it's not like the audio. I always preach this on my YouTube channel when it comes to how to get views on TikTok. But for this sake, trending audios are very boosted. Now, for example, if you go to my computer's over there. If you go to billboard.com, there's going to be a section for TikTok TikTok top 50. So I recommend just putting literally the first song that's on there, that's top 1, and just putting that for all of your ads. Now, obviously, it might be different. It works perfect for me because a lot of the TikTok top 50 songs are all woman like songs about like. I don't want to say certain names because certain names will get you like demonetized, but a lot of these songs in like artists will really relate and like connect with the woman niche in general. If you're doing like different products for like men or gym, it might be a little different audio. I recommend doing something more aggressive with that, but everything else, I got lucky with the woman niche. But like I said, top 50 Billboard, and it connects to your audience, which is most likely either the UK or like somewhere in Europe, or the US, which is where I am in. My target audience is the US. I don't target out to UK or Europe or anything like that. So my target audience is US, and Billboard top 50, more likely than not, are only showing US songs, everything that is made in America. Because that's how TikTok is, okay? So, like I said, Billboard, TikTok top 50. you will get automatically boosted, and you'll be pretty much only showed to people in America, because it's an American song. It's a top trending song in America, and you're not going to get random outreaches to like the Philippines and people that just won't order to different countries, just because, I don't know, it happens all the time where you get like people in India on your video and you're like, they're commenting, you have no idea what they're saying. It's probably bots and stuff like that. But yeah, it's really, really easy. I do recommend doing TikTok organic as well with TikTok ads. I will be making videos on TikTok ads. But also, if something's not getting views, or if something is really getting views, I also recommend boosting that TikTok, that specific TikTok video. There's in the settings, you can literally promote it or boost it, and you will get more views and hopefully more sales out of it, as long as you have the right targeted audience for it. If not, I wouldn't waste your time at all on it. Just rely on organic, and you can make a lot of money. You can make thousands. You can make 5 figures a month doing literally TikTok organic. So I'm telling you guys right now, you can make it happen. It's really easy. It's the easiest thing in the world. TikTok organic is a game changer. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I don't think there's anything else. But if you guys have any questions whatsoever, you guys can comment. Or you can DM me on Instagram. I've been helping you guys a lot on Instagram. And it's also the quickest and the easiest way to for me to get back to you with anything. If you want to connect, if you want to ask questions, you can go ahead and do that. I also have a mentorship program for dropshipping. So if you guys are interested in that, you can also DM me on Instagram. But other than that, I do have a paid Discord. It's $50. If you guys are interested in that, I will have a link in the description below. It teaches you everything, like everything. There's a section for TikTok shop. There's a section for just posting on TikTok to make money on TikTok. There's a section for dropshipping, and there's a section for trading. So if you guys are interested, there will be a link straight to that Discord. It will be $50 for the dropshipping side of things. And I really do recommend it. It's up to you guys. That will be also in the link in the description below. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment any questions you have, or DM me on Instagram, which is the most preferred recommended platform for me to reach back out to you. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.